Hello, today we will guide you through how to create a professional Behance profile. To begin, head over to Behance and open the main homepage. This is where your profile journey starts. If you are new to the platform, take a moment to look around and get familiar with the layout. Behance is designed to showcase creative work, so having a polished profile helps you make a strong first impression. Once you are on the site, the next step is to set up your profile. The goal here is to optimize it so it reflects who you are as a creative professional. A strong profile gives viewers a quick understanding of your skills, style, and focus. This foundation is important because it supports everything else you add later, from your bio to your portfolio projects. After that, move into customizing your profile by selecting the option to edit it. This is where you start building your personal brand. Think of your profile as your digital introduction. The way it looks and the information you include should feel consistent, professional, and aligned with the kind of work you want to attract. Keeping your profile clean and intentional can make a big difference. Next, go through the profile sections such as basic information, work experience, about me, and links. Fill these out carefully and completely. Your basic information helps people quickly identify your role or specialty, while work experience adds credibility. The About Me section is your chance to briefly explain your background, interests, and creative approach. Adding relevant links can also help direct visitors to other professional platforms or portfolio resources. Then, click to edit your availability settings, whether that means freelance or full-time work. This is a simple but valuable detail because it lets potential clients, recruiters, or collaborators know if you are open to opportunities. Make sure this setting reflects your current goals so your profile communicates the right message. From there, focus on creating quality projects. This is one of the most important parts of building a professional Behance presence. Showcase your best work, not just everything you have made. Aim for projects that highlight your strengths and demonstrate your process clearly. Good project presentation matters, so choose visuals carefully and organize them in a way that is easy to follow. Finally, stay active and continue growing your profile over time. A professional Behance profile is not something you build once and forget. Keep improving it, updating your work, and refining how you present yourself. As your skills evolve, your profile should evolve with them. With these steps, you can create a Behance profile that looks polished, professional, and ready to represent your creative work effectively.